Today, I will teach you how to create cartoony trendy images using AI technologies for free. Open your browser and search styler.ai. Create account, click on Sign Up. You can sign in with your Google account. Click on New Project. Now import image. Hold the Shift button and set the picture from corner. Click on Image to Image. Select Innocent Cutie Style. Generate prompt from Auto. Generate option. This is amazing. You can use these two sliders to control the end result. Now click on Stylerize and wait. This is so funny. This is good. Select and click on Place on canvas. Export. Step 2. Open browser and search remaker.ai. Select Face Swap option. Now follow. Check the result. It's almost done, but needs some work. Step 3. Open browser and search third website. It's Art Guru AI. This website is really interesting. No need of sign in, just upload your picture and click on Generate button. Few seconds later, you will get final result. Click on Download. I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.